In this video, we will learn to add JavaScript to a web page. Adding JavaScript to a web page is very easy. You just need to add the script tag, just like this, and the ending script tag. And between this tag, we can write JavaScript code. For example, we call alert function with a hello world message. We can just run now this to test. This is the file. You just need to open in a web browser. You can see we got this pop-up message, hello world over here. This is an example of inline JavaScript. A second and better way to include your code is to save your JavaScript into a separate file and use the script element to include that file by name using the source attribute src. Let's take a look. Now I'm just gonna take this all code and create a new file. And move the code, this alert one, to this file and call it file.js. File.js. Now we have our JavaScript code in this file, and we need to include over here for script tag for external file. Here we need to do script, then source, and give it the file name file.js, and just close this tag or end it. Now just save it and we will try to run it again. Now you can see it again printed hello world with pop-up box. So this way it also worked. So the biggest advantage of external file is code reuse. If you write a complex bit of JavaScript that performs a general function you might need in lots of pages. If you include the code inline, you need to cut and paste the code into each web page that use it. So it is better that we have an external file where we put our JavaScript code and just refer with our script element and include that file. So in this video, you learn to use JavaScript as inline and also as external file.